Hey guys, so this is Neha Sawan and I have come up with a new video for you, and this is very important as usual, okay? Because I am actually going to share very important thing which is actually hindering your manifestation coming in 3D, okay? I have mentioned what is exactly third dimension and fourth dimension in my previous video. I will put a card here, okay? And you need to watch the whole video, that whole video too, so that you can understand why your manifestation will not come only with law of attraction. Okay, so this video is actually about 3 points. Can you imagine 3 points because of which your manifestation is not coming? Okay, well, I am actually going to discuss these 3 points from the point of view of Neville Goddard, of course, because my research has come to this term, law of assumption, and I am actually experiencing great things because of this. Okay, though law of attraction was also working for me, where I was, always giving the same energy to people which I actually needed back, but now I have a more clearer picture of how manifestation can be easy by using law of assumption. So yes, in this video I am actually going to clear out three common mistakes because of which the manifestation doesn't come. Okay, so without wasting your time, I will actually share those 3 points because I know you are waiting for this. And guys, watching all kinds of law of attraction videos and practicing thousands and hundreds of techniques will not work. Yes, will not work if you do not know these 3 points. Okay, I have also written these so that I should not forget anything, because these are very important. Okay guys, also do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel, because my videos are all practical and these will actually give you fast result. Okay, now again, I will not waste your time. First point is manifesting from lack. Why you think that you want that thing? This is why you are using all kind of manifestation techniques. After using these techniques, I will get the result. After using these techniques, I will get the results. Okay, maybe this is your consciousness and maybe it will work too, because after using this technique, you feel that you will get the result. Okay, now, okay, you feel that all kind of hundreds of technique you are using and this is going to bring you result. First of all guys, this is a common mistake you are doing if you think that techniques are actually bringing you result. The techniques are actually used to remind you, rewire your program, subconscious mind program I'm talking about, so that you can know. It is to remind you that you are God and you can create anything you desire in your life. Techniques are not at all a magic spell. I don't know, some videos actually show that thing, that this is a magic spell and if you use this will come. No, if you only think one thought about that desire of yours, it will be yours. Maybe it can be a love back, maybe it can be a new person you desired, maybe anything. It will be yours. Why? Because just you thought that I desire this. Now you are using the techniques in lack. Okay, it means you feel first of all that in your 3D, third dimension, it is right now not available. Okay, but guys, the thing is, if you have desired, at least if you feel that this is your thing and this will get manifested, then this will get manifested. You do not even need any kind of technique, guys. So what I'm trying to say, that you are using the techniques in lack, that only by using this I will get the result. No. The techniques are to just rewire your subconscious mind from, it is to bring you out from that negativity and negative belief that only, you use this, then it will come. It is to rewire your subconscious mind so that you can, understand that whatever you think is yours. We use affirmation like, oh my god, I am so beautiful. Oh my god, I have sharp nose. Oh my god, I have beautiful lips. Oh my god, I have sexy body. Why we use this? I have right now, because it is to remind you that your desire is yours. It is not exactly that you use this, then it comes. Then what is exactly you are manifesting is weight. Okay? So why you are using exactly is to remind yourself, to remind your God state to you that whatever you desire is yours already. Now when you have created that thought in 4D, that is, 4D, fourth dimension. The thought is the fourth dimension. When you first desired it, the fourth dimension is created, that thing is yours. Okay, now to remind you that the thing is yours, your desire is yours, you have to use those techniques. Always reminding you if you are very negative about anything. Okay, so some people actually are using that, the techniques they are following in lack. They think that we are actually using this to bring the desires. No, the techniques are not at all for bringing the desire. It is to remind you, it is to remind yourself that you are God, you are the creator, and you can manifest anything you desire. Okay, even if you think using, let me clear, even if you think using this thing brings you result, using this technique brings you result, it is true for you. It is in your subconscious mind that doing this brings me the result. Never mind you are, not in that God state where you think that you are God and you can create anything. You just have this belief system that, okay, using this technique brings me result. Okay, now using this technique, I don't know if it will come or not. My back of the mind is, I don't know if it comes or not, and my dominant thought is, no, it doesn't come. So it is not going to, bring you any result. Here you are using the technique only in lack. Okay, so do not use in lack. First of all, the techniques. Second, the techniques are only to remind you your God self that whatever you think is yours, whatever you desire is yours. Okay, now second point, always looking and focusing the 3D, third dimension where you live. Again, I will put the card and you can see what is exactly third dimension. Okay, third dimension is whatever you see in your surrounding. Okay, I am revealing it. Third dimension is whatever you see in the surrounding and you feel that this is reality. No, this is the result of your thoughts. Okay, you have used all kind of techniques, but now you are focusing on the 3D. It is not here. Now what are you affirming? First of all, it is not here. So you will not do this. Okay, you do not have to focus on the third dimension because it is only the result of your fourth dimension, your thoughts. Okay, so you do not have to use the technique, and you just use the technique and you are now you just do not have to focus the 3D, third dimension. Oh my god, it is not here. The fourth dimension creation happens instantly. Third dimension result comes after fourth dimension creation. Okay, now third point, yes, always taking external help. Okay, always checking out all the coaches YouTube channels. Okay, this is why you are here. Okay, Now all the coaches channels, all the YouTube channels, also you go to the tarot. First of all, going to the tarot is the extreme lack frequency where you think some external source will tell you what will happen in your life. No, nobody can tell you what will happen in your life. Again, I repeat, nobody can tell you what will happen in your life. Your life is actually based on your thoughts. Okay, first of all, now the tarot reader just picks your thoughts, okay, your energy, and accordingly she or he predicts the future. But you have multiple future. Now if the tarot reader has said something negative, it is because of your own thought and you can change it. Okay, if you are trying to manifest your specific person and you are all, you have subscribed all kind of tarot reading channels, okay, now you want to know what the person thinks, what is the current feeling of the person. Only you can predict what is the current feeling of the person. If you have predicted that the person loves you, the person misses you, then the person will miss you and the person will come back into your life. Okay, do not go for any external help. Okay, especially the tarot readers, the birth chart makers, the astrologers, they are only predicting your future on your thoughts. So these are 3 points: manifesting from lack, always focusing on the third dimension, always taking some kind of external help. Why I am saying external? Because inside whatever you think is your reality. External forces are not going to help you out. External forces are astrologers, tarot readers, and all kind of YouTube channels. And there are many fake law of attraction YouTube channels. There are many fake law of attraction YouTube channels. They will share all kind of signs, and they will give you the meaning of the signs. No, if it is everything is possible, there is no meaning of sign. You can assign meaning of the sign and that will be true for you. So there, do not go for checking the signs and meanings also. These are external things which is actually working out on your thoughts. Nothing is external. Okay, thank you.